Hi, I'm Mark. You may have seen my previous video where we flipped a house. But in this video, I want to show you my house. My wife and I bought this house from the original owners, and it was built in 1974. The owners did very few things to it. It was pretty much original to the 70s when we moved in. So we knew we had a lot of work ahead of us. So I want to show you the renovations now that they're all done. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, see ya. Here's a look at the outside of the house from when we first bought it. Here's a look at the new exterior. We added brand new windows, new front door, new garage doors, new roof, and vinyl siding. Here's a look at the inside of the house before we did the renovations. And as you can see, there's wood paneling as soon as you walk into this den. And here's this severely outdated half bath with laminate flooring, wallpaper, and popcorn ceiling. And here is a corner fireplace, which is a nice upgrade to when the house was first built. The original owners recently replaced the carpet here in the living room. And as you walk into the kitchen, you can see the laminate floors and the laminate countertops. Let's go inside to see the new interior. We added hardwood floors. There's white trim all throughout the house. There's a new sliding glass door. New steps up into the kitchen, and here is the new kitchen. We added new stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, quartz countertops, an island, and a backsplash with subway tile. We have a new gas fireplace. We got rid of the laminate floors and replaced them with tile. And here in the bathroom we have a new vanity, new wallpaper, and also new ceilings. In the living room we added dark hardwood floors, recessed lighting, and we replaced those narrow windows with new windows that bring in more light. We replaced the window that was in the dining room with French doors, and removing the wall that divided the two rooms really opens up the space. Now let's head upstairs into the master bedroom. You can see things that were original to the house, including shag carpets and an intercom system. The shag carpets were in all three bedrooms, and they were likely well over 40 years old. Connected to the master is a Jack and Jill bathroom. As part of the renovation of this bedroom, we added this custom built-in dresser, which really maximizes the space of the room. It's about 14 inches deep. The same hardwood floors that you saw in the den are in this bedroom and in the hallway of this floor. In the Jack and Jill bathroom, we added subway tile in the shower and new tile on the floor. We were able to maximize the space in this room and add a double vanity. Back in the dining room, I want to show you how the French doors open up to our brand new deck. In our backyard, we also have a new shed that matches the house. Here is what the back of the house looked like when we first moved in. It had a very small concrete pad, so we decided to make it much bigger. We also added a back garage door, and a deck, and a hot tub.